Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing any detachable battery or disconnecting the battery flex. Do this so you avoid shorts. Next, open the housing with precision drivers and gently pry seams while you document cable routing with photos. You need wire strippers and a 2030W soldering iron ready. Heat, shrink, and flux will save you time. Once the shell is open, identify the broken section, label left versus right and mic versus ground, and trim back to clean, undamaged copper before moving on. You now cut out the damaged segment and strip about 2-3 mm of insulation, then tin each conductor with flux so solder flows consistently. Choose replacement wire of the same gauge, typically 2832 AWG. This preserves impedance and flexibility. Match color coding and maintain any twisted pairs for noise rejection. Solder quickly with steady heat to avoid lifting pads, check continuity with a meter, and individually insulate each conductor with small heat shrink before bundling them to restore the cable's original shape and strain relief. You finish by reconnecting the battery or internal connector, then carefully close the housing, preserving any gaskets or adhesive. Power on and test Bluetooth pairing, left/right audio balance, mic function, and charging if applicable. If you hear crackle or no sound, make sure to recheck continuity and look for cold solder joints or bridged conductors. Short circuits often show low resistance on a meter. If problems persist, reflow questionable joints and inspect PCB pads for lifts. Replace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.